We've got the workbenches for both of our repairmen, and we have space for all of our machines to come in so that we can work on them, making that process a lot more efficient, and those machines are back to you quicker. So really loving this space. If you remember, we were working on a small kitchenette, and that kitchenette is over here. And this will be a space where we can have a coffee bar and a fridge and a microwave and all those things that you'll need if you come and spend the day with us sewing. So we'll have just that nice little extra space for you guys in the meantime. And then one space that I have not shown you is the fact that we are expanding our original classroom. So let's go take a look at that space. In this space, our original classroom has been expanded so that we can offer more to you guys in terms of events and just, keeping that wait list a little shorter so that we have more room to invite more people to our classes. So that's the latest updates. I probably have one more update, our final update here in a few weeks, to show you everything that we got together. So thanks so much for following this journey, and we'll see you soon.